Good morning, students. Students, yesterday we have done questions based on to find out speed and to find out distance. Today we will do how to find time when speed and distance is given to you. Fine. So the formula for the time is, first of all, write down the formula for time. Distance divided by speed. This is the formula. This is the formula that we will use when distance is given, speed is given, and the question is to find out time. So time is equal to distance divided by speed. So let's start question number 2 based on this formula. Question number 2 is B part. I will discuss B part. Distance is given to you 8 meter. Stop writing, everyone. After that, I will give you time for writing. Put your whole concentration on understanding the concept. Distance is given to you 8 meter. Speed is given to you 8 whole 2 by 5 centimeter per second. This is given. This information is given to you. Now, first of all, we will change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2, 42. So 42 divided by 5 centimeter per second. This is your first step. This is your first step. Now, after division, you will get, now divide this. Either divide now or divide later. बेटा अगर अभी इसको डिवाइड करना है अभी कर लो, नहीं करना बाद में करना है तो बाद में कर लेना, कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है. अगर ऐसे ही इसको अभी लिखना है तो चाहे ऐसे ही लिख लो. फाइन. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. Look, now this point is very important. Look here. What is this? This is centimeter. Speed is in centimeter, but distance is in meter. Look, this is meter and this is centimeter. Both are different. Look. Now change this meter. मैंने कल भी बेटा आपको बोला था, जैसे आपको स्पीड गिवन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग मूव करेंगे हम. फाइन, वो इजी रहता है. स्पीड क्या है आपकी? सेंटीमीटर में. नाउ इसको भी सेंटीमीटर में चेंज कर दो. एज वी नो, इन 1 मीटर, look, in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. This is the relation. In 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. Now 8 multiplied by 100 will give you 800 centimeter. Look, अब ये दोनों हो गए सेंटीमीटर में. देखो, distance is in centimeter, speed is in centimeter. This is very much compulsory. आपकी ये दोनों यूनिट्स सेम होनी चाहिए, एग्जैक्टली सेम. ये देखो, ये मीटर था तो मैंने इसको सेंटीमीटर में चेंज कर दिया, मल्टीप्लीकेशन विद 100. नाउ राइट द फॉर्मूला. टाइम इज डिस्टेंस divided by speed. Now put the value. What is distance? 800. What is speed? 42 divided by 5. Now, to solve this, you will change this division to multiplication. And when you will change this division to multiplication, this right hand side fraction reciprocal. So this is 800 multiplied by 5 divided by 42. Now let's start. Let's start multiplication. You can apply cancellation method also. We have so many methods. Either apply the cancellation method, and if you don't want to apply the cancellation method, then direct multiplication of these two numbers and division by 42. So this is your wish. You know how to divide, do by any method. There will be no compulsion. But show each and every step in fair. Don't show any calculation in rough. Show each and every calculation in fair. This is compulsory. Now, multiply this with, you will get 40,000 divided by 42. Now, start your division and tell me the result. Start your division. I am waiting for your responses. This is 4,000 divided by 42. And after division, you will get what? 95.23 seconds. Do not write hours or minutes. Write 95.23 seconds. Write down. And whenever you will divide this, show the calculation in fair. Yes, very good. Very good, Rahman. 95.23 seconds. और अगर आपका रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं भी आएगा तो अंडर द ब्रैकेट राइट डाउन अप्रोक्सीमेट. फाइन. So note down, then we will start next question. Note down quickly. This is very important. Check the units. This is meter and this is centimeter. Both are different. Now change this meter to centimeter and you have to write this relation. This relation is very important. You have to mention this relation in fair. Yes. Students, note down. Simple division. This sum is based on simple division. बस आपको फॉर्मूला पता होना चाहिए. फॉर्मूला क्या है? Distance divided by speed. So distance is 800 divided by speed is 42 divided by 5. Now change this division to multiplication and this is reciprocal, and after that divide and you will get your result. Note down, then we will start. Third question, question number 3rd. From question number 2nd, A and C part, your homework parts. You have done? Yes, Amanpreet.
मैम आज जो आपने होमवर्क दिया मैम अभी मैम कौन सा पार्ट है?
बेटा वो आपको मिल जाएगा उस पे व्हाट्सएप पे. नो नीड टू वरी.
ओके मैम.
हाँ, पुट योर होल कंसंट्रेशन ऑन
Okay, ma'am.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट होमवर्क. Now come to the question number 3rd. Let's start 3rd question. Question number 3rd. How far will an aeroplane fly in 7 hours 30 minutes at a speed of 675 kilometer per hour? So what is given to you? First of all, write down the given information. What is given? Time is given. 7 hours 30 minutes. This is given and speed is given to you. What is speed? 675 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Per hour means in 1 hour. Okay. Now, what is the first step in this question? Tell me. What is your first step? Speed is kilometer per hour and time is 7 hours 30 minutes. Yesterday we have done 3 questions based on this. Very good. Well done. Rayman, very good. We will convert minute to hours because speed is in hours. मैंने आपको पहले बोला है move according to the speed. Move according to speed. Speed is in kilometer per hour. It means we will change this minutes to hour. Now in 1 minute, in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. Now, this is, how can you change this to? Now tell me, how can you change this minutes to hour? Multiplication by 60 or division by 60? Multiplication with 60 or division with 60? Very good. Sia, well done Sia. Harshika, very good. Division by 60. So this is 30 divided by 60. And 3 divided by 6 will give you 0.5. When you divide 3 by 6, look, this is 3 and this is 6. Division is not possible here. So put decimal, you will get 1 0. 6 5s are 30. So 0.5, add this 0.5 to 7 and you will get 7.5 hours. Don't forget to add. This addition is very important. Students क्या करते हैं? इसको ऐसे लिखा रहने देते हैं, इसमें प्लस नहीं करते. This division, this addition is very much compulsory. Change this minute to hours. Then you have to add both the numbers. Addition is compulsory. So solve your sum very, very carefully. This is 0.5 and this is 7. It means 7.5 hours. Now come to the next. Apply the formula. The question is to find how far. Kitna dur. It means the question is to find distance. Now apply the formula. As we know that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed is 675 and time is 7.5. Now multiply and tell me the result. Students, multiply and tell me the result. Yes, Ishpreet?
मैम आई वांट टू आस्क दैट मैम आपने जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन करवाया है
हाँ जी बेटा.
डिटरमाइन द टाइम टेकन व्हेन मैम उसका ए पार्ट समझा दो एक बार. एक्चुअली मेरी क्लास ना बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हुई जा रही है.
मैंने ए पार्ट कराया ही नहीं बेटा. एक पार्ट मैंने होमवर्क दिया है, मैंने
मैम
कराया
फिर ये
ही, मैंने
क्वेश्चन
कराया ही बी पार्ट है।
मैम वो वाला समझा दो फिर। मैम मेरी क्लास डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रही थी बार बार।
Okay, you can check the lecture on YouTube. Okay, I will upload.
मैम
Fine. Now look, 675 multiplied by 7 decimal 5. Multiply and tell me the result. Very good, Arav. Yes, the result is very good, Arav. Yes. No, 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 Arav. First Arav from the class 5th B. उसका बेटा आंसर करेक्ट है, जो ये 5th ए का आरव है आपका आंसर रॉन्ग है। वेरी गुड अडनान, द आंसर इज 5062 डेसिमल 5 किलोमीटर। यस, सो दिस इज डिस्टेंस, दिस इज डिस्टेंस, so this is very important। 7 hours 30 minutes, change this minute to hour and then addition is compulsory। बेटा ये एडिशन करनी मत भूलना, नहीं तो आपका सारा सम रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। इसको कन्वर्ट करने के बाद में इसके साथ में 7 भी है, तो आपने इस कन्वर्जन को 7 में ऐड करना है, ये अपने माइंड में फिट कर लो। फाइन, write down, then we will start next question। Question number 4, question number 5th deleted, I have already sent to you। Fine, I have already sent question number 4, 5, question number 7, 9 deleted parts। Now come to the question number 6th, come to the 6th question। Let's start 6th question। Yes, Kaushalinder, you have any doubt?
मैम कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन डिलीट हो गए हैं?
आपने ग्रुप देखा है? मैं 3 टाइम्स सेंड कर चुकी हूँ डिलीटेड क्वेश्चन, 3 टाइम्स। Now start reading 6th question। Start reading 6th question।
How long will an athlete take to run a race of 100 meters? Speed is 50 kilometers per hour.
Now tell me what is given। Tell me what is given in this question।
Given is distance 500 meters
Yes,
and speed is 50 kilometers.
Speed is
50 kilometers per hour.
50
kilometers per
hour। Now tell me।
Ma'am, first step is to convert 50 kilometers into meters.
कौशलेंद्र, मैंने एक ही रूल बताया है, आप कर लो इसको मीटर में, मैं आपको मना नहीं करती, पर मैंने एक ही रूल बताया जिससे आपकी कभी मिस्टेक नहीं होगी। स्पीड के अकॉर्डिंग चलो, स्पीड को मत टच करो, क्योंकि इसमें पर आर आता है, कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगी आपको। इसको मत टच करो, इसको मत चेंज करो, पार्टनर को चेंज कर दो। आप सही बोल रहे हो, आपका बिल्कुल गलत नहीं है, बट मैं हमेशा प्रेफर करूंगी भी स्पीड को मत टच करो बिल्कुल भी, आपकी मिस्टेक हो जाएगी। दूसरे को चेंज करो। मैंने जितने सम्स करवाए हैं अभी तक, मैंने आपको यही बोला है हर एक सम में, मूव अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्पीड। स्पीड को मत चेंज करो, किसी दूसरे को चेंज करो। अब स्पीड में देखो किलोमीटर है, स्पीड में क्या है? किलोमीटर। ठीक है, आपका गलत नहीं है किलोमीटर, यू आर 100% राइट। भी हम इसको चेंज करेंगे, बट अवॉइड करो, कोशिश करो दूसरे को चेंज कर दो, क्योंकि इसमें किलोमीटर पर आवर आता है ना, पर आवर, तो कभी कभी स्टूडेंट्स मिस्टेक कर देते हैं, इसको ऐसे ही रहने दो, इसको चेंज करो. फाइन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज मीटर.
Okay.
In meter, you know, in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter. Now tell me, Kaushlinder, to change this meter to
Ma'am,
kilometer,
zero
you will
point
multiply
five
or you
zero
will
zero.
divide? Recall, King Henry died. King
Ma'am,
Henry,
divide.
very good. Kilometer, hectometer, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, सेंटीमीटर एंड मिलीमीटर. ये हमने किया हुआ है ना टेबल. किंग हेनरी डाइड, मदर डिडंट क्राई मच.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना. ये आप मीटर पे हो, यहाँ आपने किलोमीटर पे जाना है. इट मींस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे क्या होती है हमारी? डिवीजन. सो इट मींस यू विल डिवाइड 500 by 1000 and this will change to kilometer. This concept we have already done in PT2.
Ma'am,
Yes. Cancellation and this is 0.
मैम फिर आंसर आ जाएगा
0.5. ठीक है, ये देखो मैंने 0 से 0 कट कर दिए. 0 0 कट, 0 0 कट, 5 divided by 10 is 0 decimal 5. Right? Very good. Now, so students, don't change the unit of speed. Avoid this. Avoid करो. Change the unit of partner. ये देखो, ये जैसे डिस्टेंस मीटर में था तो मैंने इसको चेंज कर दिया किलोमीटर में. हमेशा इसके अकॉर्डिंग मूव करो. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज टू फाइंड टाइम. Apply the formula. Time is distance divided by speed. What is distance? 0 decimal 5. What is speed? 50. Now, Disha, tell me how can we solve this? Disha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me, Disha, how can we solve this? Distance is 0 decimal 5 and speed is 50. Tell me how can we solve this? Disha beta, tell me how can we solve this?
Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, fine. Adnan. Adnan, tell me how can we solve this?
Ma'am, we will write 0.5 multiplied by 1 by 50.
0.5 multiplied by 1 by 50. Anything else?
Ma'am, 5 by 10.
Very good. This is decimal now. This is decimal. So remove this decimal and this will change to 5 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 50. Further, tell me the next step.
Ma'am, cancellation.
Very good. Cancellation. Cancellation here. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are. So 1 upon 100. 1 upon 100. And you will get 0 decimal 01 hours. Very good.
Okay.
Students, note down. Then we will start next question. So this is meter, and you have to write the relation in here. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This relation is very important. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and one more time I am repeating, avoid to change this. Avoid to change speed, change the other partner. So distance is in meter. So meter means, to change this to kilometer, we will divide by 1000 and you will get 0 decimal points. Now come to the next. Come to the question number 8. Eighth question. Ishpreet, start reading 8th question.
A child runs at a speed of 10 meters per second. How much time will he take to cover a distance of 1 kilometer?
Now tell me, given information.
Ma'am, given information is speed and the given information is distance and the speed.
What is speed?
Speed is
Tell me what is speed?
10 meters per second.
10 meter per second. You will not write per, you will put the sign of per. This is per. Okay? And what is another? Distance.
Ma'am, distance of 1 kilometer.
Now tell me what is your first step?
First we will convert 1 kilometer to meter.
Very good. Why? Because speed is in meter. Look, speed is in meter. Students, observe very carefully. Speed किसमें है? Meter में. And this is kilometer. It means we will change this kilometer to meter. And we know in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter. You know na? 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Now tell me the formula of time, Ishpreet.
One formula of time is distance divided by speed.
Distance
Divided by
speed. Very good. Distance is
Ma'am,
1000
distance is 1000 meter
and speed is 10.
meter.
Now divide. यहाँ पे तो कैंसलेशन ही हो जाएगी, डिवाइड करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. So this is 100 seconds. Fine. Very good. Well done. So like this we will solve the sum. Speed is 10 meter per second and distance is 1 kilometer. Now move according to the speed. Speed is in meter. Look, this is meter. So we will change this kilometer to meter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now apply the formula, distance divided by speed, and you will get your result. After that, let's start 10th question. Come to the question number 10th. Lavish. Lavish, raise your hand. Yes. Lavish, start reading 10th question.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Read 10th question.
A cyclist travels at a speed of 20 km per hour. How far will he travel in 50 minutes?
Now tell me. Information given. What information is given here?
Ma'am, speed and time.
Now. So we will start. Question number 10th is, given information is speed. Speed is 20 km per hour. And time is
50 minutes.
Now tell me. What is your first step?
Ma'am, we will convert 50 minutes to hours.
Very good. Why we will convert this minute to hour?
Ma'am, because in speed hour is given.
Very good. Because look, speed. In speed, R is given. Yes. Look, this is speed and speed is in R. So we will change this minute to R. Now, how can you change this minute to R? Tell me.
Ma'am, first of all, we will write 1 hour 60 minutes.
Very good. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Well done. Then we will divide this by 60 and this will change to hours. Now 0 0 cut. So this is 5 by 6. Now what is the formula of distance?
Ma'am, speed multiply by time.
Speed multiplied by time, or you can also write time multiplied by speed. Both are the same thing.
Okay, ma'am.
बेटा पोजीशन ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हमने किया था ना, पोजीशन इंटरचेंज करने से रिजल्ट चेंज नहीं होता. तो कुछ स्टूडेंट जैसे कह रहे थे मैम टाइम मल्टीप्लाइड बाय स्पीड, सो बोथ आर द सेम थिंग. चाहे स्पीड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय टाइम लिखो, चाहे टाइम मल्टीप्लाइड बाय स्पीड लिखो. Now speed is 20 and time is 5 by 6. Now solve and tell me the result. Solve this. Either use cancellation method or direct multiplication then division.
Ma'am, 100 over 6.
100 over 6. Divide. Start your division, students. हाँ 50 by 3 शिवम. yes 50 by 3 is also correct. मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला है, चाहे डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन से कर लो और चाहे कैंसलेशन से कर लो, सेम आंसर आएगा. योर विश. ईदर डायरेक्ट डिवीजन ऑफ 100 by 6 or division after the cancellation and tell me the result. Very good. Very good. 60. Very good, Lavnoor. 16.66. Not only write 6, write 16.66 under the bracket approximate along with kilometer. Why approximate? Because the remainder is not 0. So you have to write down a double px dot. A double px dot means approximate because the remainder is not 0. So note down. Yes.
Ma'am, my answer is 16.7 kilometer.
16. हाँ राउंड ऑफ करके 16.7 आ जाएगा. हाँ अगर आपने राउंड ऑफ करना है तो 16.7. वेरी गुड. वेल डन. So note down your homework from exercise 11A and from exercise 11B. So note down the homework. Homework exercise 11A. Question number 1. B part. Exercise 11B. Question number 1, C part. Question number 2, A and C parts. So this is your homework. Note down the homework. Rest questions we have done. So exercise 11A, question number 1 B part, exercise 11B, question number 1 C part, and question number 2 A and C parts, your homework parts. Yes, Ishpreet?
मैम एक्सरसाइज 11 वीक का सेकंड क्वेश्चन का बी पार्ट समझा दो.
ओके ओके, मैंने आपको बोला तो था, चेक कर लेना वहां से. Now let's start. Question number 2 B part. क्या गिवन है बेटा आपको? टेल मी. डिस्टेंस गिवन है. अगर स्प्लिट क्लास डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई तो यू कैन चेक फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब. ओके. एंड स्पीड इज 8 whole 2/5 centimeter per second. Look, this is what? Tell me, Shpreet, this is what?
मैम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन.
Mixed fraction. So this is 42/5 centimeter per second. Fine. Look, this is centimeter and this is meter. Change
Ma'am,
this
so
meter
we'll
to
convert-
centimeter. So this is 8 multiplied by 100, 800 centimeter. बस, that's it. फॉर्मूला लगा दो. फॉर्मूला क्या है टाइम का? डिस्टेंस डिवाइडेड बाय स्पीड. डिस्टेंस क्या है? 800. स्पीड क्या है? 42 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. सो 800 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5/42. बस इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके डिवाइड कर लो. सेम है. देयर विल बी नो डिफरेंस. ये कोई अलग फॉर्मूला थोड़ी है. जैसे हमने सारे पार्ट मैंने अभी आपसे जो डिस्कशन करके आपने सॉल्व किया है, ये सेम वैसे ही है. 8 मीटर था, ये सेंटीमीटर था, तो मैंने इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करके सेंटीमीटर में चेंज कर दिया. उसके बाद फॉर्मूला लगा दिया. फाइन इशप्रीत?
ओके मैम.
सेम है. देयर विल बी नो डिफरेंस. एकांश?
मैम जो ये रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर है,
हाँ जी
ये
बेटा.
एक दिन बाद अपलोड होंगे?
नहीं, ये मैं उसी दिन ही सेम डे कर देती हूँ. 12 o'clock तक अपलोड होते हैं यूट्यूब पे डेली. कभी होता है भी मे बी ना हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाए, अदरवाइज तो मैं डेली अपलोड करती हूँ. मैंने कल का लेक्चर भी अपलोड किया हुआ है. फाइन.
ओके मैम.
कभी प्रॉब्लम हो
Yes,
जाती है
ma'am.
ना, तो वो रिकॉर्डिंग कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाती, तो उस दिन रह जाता है. अदरवाइज आपको हर एक लेक्चर मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. Yes, Ramanpreet.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ramanpreet. Yes, tell me.
मैम मैंने ये पूछना है कि जो हमें कोई भी डाउट होता है, अगर आप हमें ना आंसर बता पाए तो हम लेक्चर से देख सकते हैं?
हाँ जी बेटा, क्यों नहीं देख सकते. 100% आप देख सकते हो भी. अच्छा, कभी यहाँ से कुछ छूट जाए ना, बिल्कुल आप अपना लेक्चर सुनो यूट्यूब पे, तभी तो हम अपलोड करते हैं.